Production.
What is poppin', squad? So I took a little week off of making the videos there. I was working on a report. So I made a crypto related stock report. It breaks down 4 crypto stocks. 3 of them are miners. One is like an exchange company. I talk about them often on my channel. But essentially, I just go over breaking down what the companies do, their basic financials, and then future outlook. And I also add in brief descriptions on, I try to really simplify what Bitcoin is and how mining can really impact, the industry. So 3 of those companies are miners. I kind of highlight how, the significance of how overlooked they are. And it took me a while to make this report, so I put some work into it. If you're interested, reach out. I'm selling it, of course. It's something I put time into over the years to understand this shit and really feel confident enough to put a piece of work out to the public like this. So if you're interested and you'd like to support, that'd be great. Just reach out and DM me on Instagram, NCB Trades. We're going to get into it here though. We're looking into AMD. Back to the weekly breakdown, so expect a lot more of this. Things are looking interesting here. It's honestly shaping up right now, looking like we're going to have a massive cup here. So it's looking like we're going to have something like this, a pattern where we have this large cup kind of going on. This is what it's looking like so far. Again, this is a future outlook kind of thing, so it'd be tough to say that this is going to happen. Nobody really knows, right? But this is technically what's shaping up right now. Beautiful thing that I like here on AMD. Again, we start here. If you see this, it's kind of faded a little bit. But if we're looking at this, this is the perfect reversal of a trend, right? So we have this new uptrend. We start from the low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Right now we're in a zone. We're looking at if we're going to potentially create that bull flag pattern to give us the continuation we need to break up above this supply zone area, right? It's our first time hanging out in this zone since August 2022, right? So things are moving hot in the tech sector right now. AMD isn't the only stock in tech stock that's been popping. Nvidia has been performing excellent. AI, C3.ai has been performing great, right? Tesla performing excellent. It's not the time to be overlooking these stocks right now. We want to pay attention to the technicals. What is happening, right? Behind all the FUD that they're pumping in the markets, what is happening with price? Because that's what investors and institutions and these hedge funds, etc., all these big money plays, they're paying attention to the price and what's happening. And that's why I like to pay attention to the technical analysis, because it's easiest access to paint a picture of what's happening with the price. Right, so this low, high, higher, low pattern, it looks like it's going to continue to happen. So what we're looking for here is a potential of 2 things, right? We either have a bull flag pattern that's about to soon break out, or we're developing a stronger base above this resistance zone right here, right? So we had a small resistance, we broke above it. We could come back down into that area if the market wants to stall a little bit, and then we break up above, right? So again, keep in mind, we're at a zone that we weren't at previously back in August 2022, right? That's the last time we were in this zone. It might take a while to break down that zone, but once we do, we'll be looking to see if we can make that a support level. We break it over it, it's resistance, we retest to see if it's supply, right? So that's the breakdown there on AMD. Peace.